Summer's ending? Says who? Before you trade pool days for pumpkin spice, there's time for one last summer escape. And the Villa Roma is making it count. Spend Labor Day weekend, September 5th through 8th, in the Catskills with 3 nights of family fun, entertainment, poolside downtime, and plenty of ways to play. Want to vacation your way? Choose your own fun package, or go all in with the all-inclusive fun stay package, featuring comfortable accommodations, daily breakfast and dinner, plus activities like Go-Karts, ziplining, bowling, racquetball, fitness center access, and indoor inflatable fun. And when the sun goes down, the fun doesn't clock out. Enjoy lively evening entertainment and make those last summer nights the ones everyone keeps talking about. So, yes, grab the family, pack the swimsuit one more time, and give summer the farewell it deserves. Labor Day at the Villa Roma. One last getaway. One more reason to make summer unforgettable.